In this video, we want to learn how to draw a white border around our desired image as quickly as possible. This method is the easiest method that you can do using Canva. To do this, first we go to the Canva workspace, which is a white page. I have already uploaded the photo I want. You can upload the photo you want to Canva from the Upload option and drag and drop it to your workspace. As you can see, this photo has a background. If we want to draw a white border around this photo, it will be placed around the rectangular frame of the photo. So first we need to remove the background of the photo. Canva has a very powerful tool for this. By selecting the photo and clicking the Edit option, you will see the BG Remover option in the Magic Studio section. Just click on it and wait a few seconds for the background removal to be done in the best way. So that we can see the white border, I'll change the background to purple. Now it's time to draw a white line. We select the photo again and click the Edit option. Now we look for shadows in the options. From the shadows, we select the glow option, and to create the desired effect, we set the blur amount to 0 and the intensity to 100. Now from the colors, we select white and change the line size according to our needs. You can see how amazing the result is. With this simplicity, we were able to create a beautiful white line around our photo. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.